G'day guys, Troy Bolton here. We're back in the shed. Got myself a beer. And I'm going to show you how I tie my assist hooks up, ready for micro jigging and slow jigging. Give it a nice coating. Alright, what we're going to need guys is a bobbin with some 10 to 15 pound braid on it. We're going to use a split ring, a decoy split ring 5+, a decoy GP ring, some decoy pike type R hooks, some Kevlar assist cord, some super glue, a lighter and some crystal flash. First thing we're going to do guys is cut our Kevlar assist line to the same length as our jig. So here's our jig. So we make it the same length as our jig. Cut that off there. And then first we do get a pair of pliers and we just flatten the assist cord a bit, just to make it easier to get the hook through. So a centimetre up. You can make a little template up for this to make it easier. But then we'll slide the hook through. Put the hook in the vise, grab your bobbin and your braid, and just wrap the shank of the hook the same length as your tag end of your assist cord. Just cut that tag off. Need a bit more yet, so we'll keep wrapping. Wrap it nice and close next to each other to make it nice and neat. Fraction more. There we go. Wrap back over it now. So you just lay that back on top. Make sure it's nice and straight on the shank of the hook. Get a little bit of super glue. Drop it on there. And lay underneath the long tag. Just do a couple of securing wraps here just to get it right. Make sure it's all nice and straight. And then we wrap back up the line, back up the shank again. Next to each other, nice and close. Grab a bit of crystal flash here. As you can see, it's got a lot of UV in this one. I just want a little bit in mine, so we'll cut him off about there. Lay him on the top of the hook, making sure there's none up past this end. Wrap him on there. I'm not going to need this with the bobbin, but gets the job done. Just make sure it's all nice and straight, like that. Wrap it up to the end. There we go. And finish it off with a couple of half hitches. And the other way. just to secure it. Trim that off. Now that's all nice. Now just grab your lighter and just give it a quick little, doesn't wreck it, just, all this is just doing is just tidying up them ends. And then obviously get your super glue now. Run your super glue around it. So that's dry now. We'll take that out, flatten it out. Get your centimetre up it again. Feed it in. Yeah, feed it in. There we go. So now we're ready to repeat the process. Grab your bobbin. Run a layer on the shank again to the length of what you've done there. Keep wrapping it till you've come to the perfect length to match up with your assist cord. Lay it back there and we'll go and wrap it back up again. Wrap it back the other way like we did on the first one. So it's back on itself here, like so. And wrap it all the way back up. Sitting there nicely. Put some more glue on it. Grab your crystal flash. Lay it on it. Make sure it's in the center. Wind it all the way back. Finish it off with a couple of half inches. Come out of the way, you. Trim him up. Get your lighter back out again. Tidy up the ends. Grab your super glue. Place that on. Let that dry now. Now we'll grab one of our Decoy GP rings. Fold your jig in half to where your hooks, you like your hooks. I like mine the same length. We'll just feed it through, just like that. Now we tighten it up. So grab a pair of pliers. Now we just finish it off with a little wrap around the base of the, where we started here. It's a little bit tricky this bit, but we'll just quickly hold it there. One run up, one run back. A couple of half inches just to finish it off, like so. Trim up all your ends again. Grab your lighter. Pull it all in like that. Another dab of super glue. Ready to go. Grab your split ring pliers. We'll grab our number 5 split rings now. Grab one of your favourite jigs. I've got a few here on the bench. Whack that split ring on. Whack your hooks on. Then you tie off your solid ring. and there's your finished product. So there you go guys, that's how easy it is to make your own assist hooks ready for micro jigging or slow jigging. Don't forget to check out my social media pages, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos from me, hit the subscribe button. Until next time, tight lines.